We're going to review the PowerPac from Storch Products. This PowerPac is made out of heavy 11 gauge mild steel, and it's a turnkey solution to run the hydraulics on the purchase of a Storch SuperMag. This comes complete with an Optima gel battery, spiral cell technology, extremely heavy duty. It's a marine deep cycle variation of that battery. It comes with a name brand battery tender 5 amp charger that will charge the battery back up. It's got a nice hydraulic motor and reservoir from a manufacturer in the state of Michigan. And it comes complete with a 20-foot whip and controller, which will allow you to operate the hydraulics on your system remotely. It's simple up-down movement. You're off and right back on. If we can help you out and offer you one of these turnkey solutions, or if you have any more questions, please give us a call at 734-591-2200 or learn more at storchmagnetics.com.